Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to install Total War 3 Kingdom games for free in Epic Games Launcher. So without wasting any time, here follow the steps. So first of all, open the Epic Games Launcher and in the search store search for Total War 3 Kingdom and then click on this base game Total War 3 Kingdoms and then click on get button. You can see the game is completely free and the sales will end on 8 January 2026. So click on this get button. Please wait, your order is loading. And then click on place order. Now you can see this view in library option. So click on this view in library button and then here you can see Total War 3 Kingdoms game has been added to my library. So click on this install button and then again click on install button. Click yes to allow and then here you can see Total War 3 Kingdoms game is getting installed on my PC. You can also click on this arrow icon. And here you can see Total War 3 Kingdoms game is getting installed on my PC. So by following these steps, you can easily download and install Total War 3 Kingdoms games on your PC via Epic Games Launcher for free until 8 January 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.